Hey guys, this is Chris of Bluegrass Auto Works again. Today I am checking out McKee's 37's Total Headlight Restoration Kit. I'm going to try it on this Toyota Camry to try to get the headlights cleared up on it.
The kit includes an all-in-one headlight restoring polish, headlight protectant spray, a drill attachment, a microfiber cutting disc, towel, and an applicator. As you can see, the headlights on this Toyota Camry are pretty rough. They're definitely not the worst I've seen, but they definitely need to be restored and cleared up. So hopefully this kit will do the job and get them looking like new again. Once you've installed the drill attachment in your drill and also the microfiber cutting disc, you'll want to apply the polish to the pad. It says on the directions to apply an X pattern, so that's what we're going to do here. Once you've applied the polish to the pad, you'll begin polishing the headlight. Be careful at first, as the drill can walk around on the headlight surface, and if it gets out of control it can damage paint around the headlight area. As long as you're careful though, you shouldn't have any issues with this, and if you're really concerned about this happening, you can tape off around the headlight to help protect the areas around it. This type of pad can be a little difficult to work with in small areas. I was able to work around this by turning the drill up on its side and working the pad up and down, as you can see in the video. Just be careful when you're working in areas like this and keep your speed low so you don't potentially damage any paint. Also, if you're unable to work with it like this, you can polish by hand if needed. Once you've completed polishing the headlight, you'll take your microfiber towel and remove the remaining polishing residue, then inspect the headlight and see if you're happy with the results. In this case, I was not happy with the results, so I decided to polish the headlight again. As you saw in the beginning, the headlight was pretty yellow, so it probably needed wet sanding, but I didn't have any sandpaper with me for this particular job, so I decided to polish it a second time to make sure I got the results I wanted. After the second pass, we're going to remove the polishing residue again and check the headlight and see if it's clear enough now. After this last pass, the headlight was much clearer and the results were acceptable, so we're going to proceed to applying the headlight protectant spray. The headlight protectant spray is extremely easy to apply. Simply mist it on the included microfiber applicator pad and wipe it directly on the headlight surface. There's no need to buff it off or wipe it. Just simply let it dry and walk away. Now that the driver's side is complete, we're going to proceed to the passenger side following the same steps as we did before. Just like the other side, once you've finished polishing the headlight, remove the polishing residue with a microfiber towel and then check it to see if it's ready to proceed to the next step. Now that the headlight is ready, we're going to apply the headlight protectant spray. Just like we did on the other side, simply mist it on the microfiber applicator and apply it directly to the headlight. There's no need to wipe off or buff afterwards. And as you can see, the headlights were much clearer. I highly recommend this kit as it is extremely easy to use. So if you're looking to restore your headlights, look at purchasing the McKee's 37 Total Headlight Restoration Kit from McKees37.com. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.